Welcome back. In general, ChatGPT does not offer the ability to draw diagrams as of the recording of this video. One thing that you can do is you can request that ChatGPT draw an image with DALL as if it were a diagram. We're going to switch out of ChatGPT 4 with Canvas, and we're going to switch over to the latest models. Whatever your latest model is as the recording of this video, you will use. Now, you can use a structured prompt in this case. Now, this is not a full-blown tutorial on how to do prompt engineering. However, we are going to slightly structure our prompt. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to be an expert creator of diagrams and infographics. We're going to state why we need the image, and we're going to state what we want to see in the image. Now, ordinarily, as part of the structured prompt, we really should be giving ChatGPT an example of a photo or a diagram that we want to see. However, we are going to end the structure of our prompt here at this point, and we're going to click enter. And we're going to allow ChatGPT to create our image to serve as a diagram. Once you have the image, what you can do is you can click inside of the image. And what you can do is you can then begin to work with the image to correct it in ways that you want. It's a good idea to correct one thing at a time. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the select button. We're going to minimize, and we're going to correct one specific element. And we're going to make this one specific element. In some cases, we may make a correction, and DALL may not know exactly how to make the correction. However, we can try to work with this image as we do have enough here to work with. We're now going to click enter, and we're going to allow ChatGPT to make the correction to this image. You'll notice here that ChatGPT is fairly close, so we're going to edit again, and we're going to see if we can get closer with the actual language. And we're going to click enter. We now have the first part of our image. We're now going to keep working on this element to get it to look the way that we want. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.